Monica, just briefly share with me your experiences with my treatment approach vis-a-vis the things that you're here to address, which are primarily rheumatoid arthritis and some things that are associated with it. You just give me very briefly the before and after. We still aren't done, but what sort of improvements have you noticed?
Well, there's so many I can't even think, but truthfully, a lot of the pain and has helped. It has reduced a lot. Movement has improved for me. Um, Also, just like my mental state has improved as well. Able to focus better. I'm able to think better. And in general, I'm just able to move better, which is not something that I can say to any other clinic or doctor that I've been through, which is why I really value my relationship with Prism Health Therapeutics, because they take such a different approach to health. And that's something I appreciate as a person who has been living with chronic illness for a very, very long time.
Awesome, thank you. And just quickly, you also mentioned energy levels improved and digestion.
Yes, so I have seen marked improvements in my digestion and energy. It's been a bit of a long road, but improvements have been significant and fairly quick, to be honest. So, I mean, there's nothing else to say, but just really good results overall.
Brilliant. Appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem.